it smells like vinegar out here. All right, yeah, we need to find cooking mix or something. All right, okay, here we go. Oh, hey, brownie mix. How convenient.
And a lighter, we can light it on fire.
Okay, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of water, a half cup of oil, and 3 large eggs. We don't need any small ones over here. All right, Trent, pop that boy open.
Screwdriver, you gotta get your trusty true screwdriver. Don't try this at home.
All right, there's the eggs, Trent. Let's go and
Shit in here.
okay, just get the eggs. Careful, don't drop them. That would be really funny though.
Oops.
We also need a half a cup of vegetable oil, and I think it's in here. I don't know. What is that? What was it? Oh, there's a vegetable oil up there. We'll get that when we need it. Oh my God! We found Flintstone gummies. Okay, for the first step. Okay, we're gonna have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let's show everybody our supplies.
Yeah, so we're gonna have Flintstone gummy and Scotch tape brownies. And we're also gonna have some screwdriver. Is that garlic powder? We're gonna have garlic and Flintstone brownies. Garlic and Flintstone.
You know what would be like the new Kobe? You dare me?
Oh my God.
You dare me?
All right.
The new Kobe.
All right, Trent, do you know how to preheat the oven to, hold on. It says
Oh my God! I threw it up
You
there!
got it up there. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Okay, first we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. All right, do you
Look how hard do they make these balls? Wait,
all right,
first of all, we gotta open it up and see.
Oh yeah, open it up. I don't know how to preheat the oven. Do we have to like bake
I
it?
think this is the oven.
Now let's use this. Let's use the big boy.
Oh my
Hold on.
I think, does it say preheat?
Preheat. Yes. Where's the start button?
Is that
it?
stop?
I don't know how to. How about
No, is the clock?
stop. What did I just do?
Just a huge explosion.
I'm scared.
Jesus Christ, how about?
Is it preheating? I can't tell. I mean, it feels hotter in here.
Here's your brownie mix.
It's a brownie mix.
Wait, don't we need? No, we need a bowl.
Okay, yeah, I don't know how to preheat it. Hey, Mom. All right, right now the oven is preheating to exactly 350 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, Trent, what's the next step? Where's the box? All right, what's the next step?
I think you're supposed to mix this.
Okay.
Oh God, does that smell good?
Okay, coat the pan. Done. Okay, what's the next step? Combine brownie mix, water, vegetable oil, and eggs in a large bowl. Mix until blended. Spread batter into pan. Okay, that's easy enough. We're not going to need that anymore, though.
Michael, did you actually just throw it out there?
All right, we'll just chuck it over there. It's not like we're going to need it or anything.
So you gotta get the eggs now. I
Hey,
think.
get the eggs. They're over there.
How many eggs did it say? 3 large.
I don't know. Let me see. Two eggies. 2 eggies. Draw faces on them so they look more scared.
Oh yeah. So we gotta go find the shark.
Don't actually do that.
Oh man.
Okay, egg number 1. Don't forget to get the eggshells out though. There you go. That's my boy. There's an eggshell. Get the...
I got it out, you idiot.
All right, good. You don't want any eggshells in it. Or do we? That's an awful question.
Do we need milk or something?
Just gonna leave that there.
We need vegetable oil, you idiot.
Oh yeah, we do need vegetables. No, just
In the rinse.
no, just leave it there. You know, we don't. No. Whoever said that they needed a cotton swab, you know. Okay, Trent, we need to find the tablespoon one, the one you that. Okay, I think we would use this at a table. So I think that's a tablespoon. So we're gonna use like boiling hot water.
Like a baby. He's a school lunch lady.
It's not working. Oh, there we go. gotta use
our cauldron.
gotta use a strainer. Okay, we need to find the tablespoon because obviously that spoon wasn't working. Oh, I found it.
I usually keep my family usually keeps them.
Where the hell is the tablespoon? No, we'll use the scooper. Oh, I found it. I think I found it. Jesus. Is it in here?
Maybe your family.
Where the hell are the tablespoons? Is that
How is this even a cabinet? Don't get it. What the?
Oh, it's broken.
The spoon.
We found the tablespoon. Apparently this other one was a teaspoon, and apparently this was an ice cream scooper. We're not gonna need that.
Okay, so where's
The water? It's over here.
We need water?
Boiling water. Make sure it's boiling.
Are you sure? Here, it's like the box.
Check the box. It just says water, so it doesn't say what temperature.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah, 3 tablespoons. That's a tablespoon right there. It's not. Oh, there you go. Just nice and steady. Careful. Be careful. Is it done?
Yeah, the preheating is done.
The preheating has commenced. Actually, it's finished. Okay, are we done?
Yeah, with the water.
Let's get a 4th one in there just to be sure. What about the freaking olive oil? We're gonna use olive oil instead. I think it'll work just fine.
Mike.
I think it'll be fine, okay?
Not pouring it in.
Listen, it probably says vegetable oil somewhere here. How much vegetable oil does it say we have to use? A half a cup. We can do that. How do I unscrew this? Hold on. Okay, I unscrewed it. A half a cup. This is gonna turn out well. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. A little more than perfect, and I just did so myself, kind of.
What do you guys even?
We have to use olive oil.
Brownies.
We're making brownies, but we had to use olive oil instead of vegetable oil. I think it'll work.
There's some Q-tips in there.
No, you chuck the Q-tip over here. It's over here. What if we baked a crayon into it?
This looks good, but like it looks like shit.
Oh, it looks like I'm all zoomed in. Oh, that is wrong. Okay, we have to bake until it's batter, so I think it's batter. And then we need to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, cook times below. I don't know what that means. Thick, thicker, thickest? Are we trying to make it thick? Alright, we're putting that in. It's gonna be nice and steamy. I think you're supposed to spread it out.
Well,
are we following the instructions or not, Trent?
I'm just rolling.
Now, I'm sure that will be fine. Oh, hey, the gods have given us this thing. I'm gonna use it.
Why does this work? Why does this weigh so much?
Okay, we have to spread it out. Give it like a back massage.
I'm not even. Don't get it. Oh yeah, that's nice and thick.
Okay, so we want the thick option from the box.
I think it's done.
I think it's done. All right. I'm trying to spread it out. You try and spread it out. I'm holding the camera. Oh, okay. Okay, calm down.
I thought we gotta get all of this out. There's so much more.
Yeah.
God, Jesus Christ, how much is in there?
You see, here's the teaspoon.
Drop a deuce.
It's like Bill in Mario Tennis. He always deuces you.
Bah, 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 bah.
All right, take all that out. No, Trent, go and get Chef Pee-Pee. I think I left him in my room.
I don't wash my hands.
All right, gotta take all that out now. Let me just cover it up. I'll never know. I'll never know. I'm just taking all the stuff out. Ugh. Ew. Ugh. Let me just I'm just gonna wipe it. You'll never know. You'll never know. Maybe just put like an eggshell or two in it, you know? I think he's coming. I'm anticipating his arrival. Should be quiet. I'm gonna lick myself. Where did that come from? Was he up there? No, alright. Alright, now put that, okay, now put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
It is.
Okay, it is.
You gotta put on it for making.
Alright, I'll just cut to that.
Okay, Trent. Back up. That's a 300.
You have to put the brownie mix in there and then you have to start baking it. He doesn't know about the Q-tip. I think it's in. Okay, I think that's gonna be fine.
Big.
We did it. Trent, we did it. Turn the light on. Turn the light on.
There you go. Look at that stuff.
Why does it look like it's on an angle?
Because it is.
All right, the brownies are done. Don't. What are you doing?
Shovel it in my mouth because it's delicious.
I'm watching SML right now, so. We're trying to find the Q-tip right now, and if we don't find it, we're just gonna try and feed this part to Keely. So.
Is that it? Because it's a bubble? No.
All right, so we have to wait till it cool down, and then we'll give you a taste test. We found the Q-tip. It's in there. So yeah, let's do a taste test now. All right, it's time to do a taste test.
We'll just do that, but did I get this wrong?